podcaster in a candy store today. This is a big, nasty avalanche. We're gonna call this guy Evan. Evan is an avalanche that you don't want to tangle with today because it will mess you up. So Evan the avalanche wanted to go on a powder vacation this week, but instead his parents dragged him on a spring break trip to somewhere hot. First he got sunburned, which he didn't like, but then his air conditioner broke and he stopped getting good night's rest. So the last 3 or 4 nights we haven't had a good refreeze with the snowpack. Water is going deeper into the snowpack and Evan is getting grumpier and grumpier every single day. Now this afternoon, it won't take much to get, all you have to do is tickle him and he'll start to get really angry.